A great robot vacuum should save you time, not create more cleaning problems. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best robot vacuums, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. I'll cover cleaning performance, smart features, navigation, battery life, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. Number 5. MAMNV Robot Vacuum. Starting off at number 5 is the MAMNV Robot Vacuum and Mop, a feature-packed budget-friendly cleaning robot with surprisingly strong specs. It offers 11,500 pascals suction power, smart LiDAR navigation, 3-in-1 vacuum and mop functionality, up to 160 minutes runtime, and a self-emptying system capable of holding debris for up to 90 days. Review highlights. For the price, this robot vacuum delivers impressive value. The strong suction performs well on hard floors, pet hair, and everyday dust, while LiDAR mapping helps improve navigation accuracy compared to random path robots. The self-emptying dock also adds convenience for users who want less daily maintenance. Pros: strong 11,500 pascals suction power, smart LiDAR navigation, 90-day self-emptying support, good runtime performance, works well for pet hair and hard floors. A solid value option with modern features. Number 4. DREAME D30 Ultra. At number 4 is the DREAME D30 Ultra, a premium robot vacuum and mop designed for heavy-duty home cleaning. It features an impressive 25,000 pascals suction system, smart obstacle avoidance, mop extend edge cleaning technology, and an all-in-one docking station with up to 100 days auto-empty capability. Review highlights. This robot vacuum stands out for raw cleaning performance. The extremely high suction power helps it handle carpets, pet hair, and deep debris much better than many mid-range competitors. Its edge cleaning system is another major advantage, helping it clean corners more effectively. For larger homes with mixed flooring, it performs exceptionally well. Pros: extremely powerful 25,000 pascals suction, advanced edge cleaning technology, smart obstacle avoidance, 100-day auto-empty dock, excellent carpet and pet hair cleaning, a powerful premium cleaning machine. Number 3. Roborock Q7M5 Plus. Coming in at number 3 is the Roborock Q7M5 Plus, an upgraded robot vacuum and mop built for efficient everyday cleaning. It offers up to 10,000 pascals suction, dual anti-tangle systems for pet hair, PreciSense LiDAR navigation, app control, and self-emptying support, lasting up to 7 to 9 weeks. Review highlights. Roborock has built a strong reputation for navigation and reliability, and the Q7M5 Plus continues that trend. The LiDAR mapping system is fast and accurate, while the anti-tangle design works especially well for homes with pets. Its balance of performance, smart mapping, and lower maintenance makes it very appealing for busy households. Pros: strong 10,000 pascals suction, excellent LiDAR navigation, dual anti-tangle system for pet hair, long self-emptying support, reliable app controls and mapping, a balanced and dependable robot vacuum. Number 2. Roborock Qrevo Series. At number 2 we have the Roborock Qrevo Series Robot Vacuum and Mop. This model features 8,000 pascals suction, spinning mop technology, anti-tangle brushes, smart obstacle avoidance, and an all-in-one docking system with automatic mop washing. Review highlights. What makes the Qrevo series stand out is automation. The spinning mop system does a great job on hard floors, while the dock handles much of the cleaning maintenance automatically. Navigation performance is also excellent, helping the robot avoid obstacles efficiently while cleaning rooms in organized patterns. For users wanting a more hands-off cleaning experience, this is a fantastic choice. Pros: smart all-in-one cleaning dock, automatic mop washing system, strong obstacle avoidance, effective spinning mops, great smart home integration, a premium robot vacuum built for convenience. Number 1. DREAME 40 Lira Ultra. Taking the number 1 spot is the DREAME 40 Lira Ultra Gen 2, and this is one of the most advanced robot vacuums available right now. It features an incredible 25,000 pascals suction power, extendable side brush and mop systems, advanced smart navigation, voice and app controls, and a fully automated all-in-one cleaning dock. Review highlights. What makes the 40 Lira Ultra Gen 2 stand out is complete cleaning performance. It combines flagship-level suction, advanced edge cleaning, intelligent navigation, and premium automation into one system. The extendable mop and side brush help improve corner cleaning, while the dock minimizes manual maintenance almost entirely. Whether you have carpets, pets, hard floors, or mixed surfaces, this robot vacuum handles demanding cleaning tasks extremely well. Pros: flagship level, 25,000 pascals suction. Advanced extendable mop and brush system. Excellent smart navigation. Fully automated cleaning dock. Outstanding performance for carpets and hard floors. Premium all-around cleaning experience. This is a true high-end robot vacuum system. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing suction power, navigation, automation, mopping performance, and overall cleaning experience, the DREAME 40 Lira Ultra Gen 2 is the best overall robot vacuum on this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.